Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply Paytm First Credit Card very easily. You can do same process and apply Paytm First Credit Card. So let's start as a demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your Paytm application. Now I just click on that particular application. So this screen is display here. Apply for Paytm First Credit Card. I just simply click here and next page are open here. India's most sincere credit card, Paytm SBI card with intelligent features and great rewards that never expire. Get up 3% unlimited cashback. Enjoy benefit up to 75,000 with complimentary Paytm First membership. Manage your card with smart features on Paytm application. Some basic informations are available here with graphical representation. You can use this Paytm credit card, access those features. Simply click here, apply now. Apply now. Here is my PAN card is automatic come. My first name, you can add your first name, mother name, nationality. I select the Indian, mobile number, home current address. This is my current address. Types of salary, self-employed or retired. So select as salary. Designation, type here designation. This scientist. Done. Add your company name here. Done. And now just need to submit button, and after within 1 week I'm receiving my credit card on that particular address. It's very simple to order or apply Paytm First Credit Card. You can do same process and receive your Paytm credit card. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.